आज हम देखने वाले हैं क्लास 10 का चैप्टर अंकल पॉजर हैंग्स अ पिक्चर, जिसे लिखा है जेरोमी ने। आज हम इसका कंप्लीट क्वेश्चन एंड आंसर देखने वाले हैं, तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं। क्वेश्चन नंबर 1, डू यू थिंक द चिल्ड्रन इन द हाउस वर फूल्स? वाई अंकल पॉजर थिंक सो अबाउट दैम? क्या आप सोचते हैं कि घर में जो बच्चे थे वे मूर्ख थे? अंकल पॉजर उनके बारे में क्या ऐसा क्यों सोचते हैं? Uncle Podger thought so because about them because Uncle Podger was not accustomed in hanging the picture, and moreover his arrangements were not done properly. One by one he was doing the mistake and he blamed the children as they were fools. Question number 2. Despite telling that he would hang the picture himself, why was Uncle Podger not able to do it? वह चित्र को स्वयं टांगने लगे, इसे कहने के बावजूद अंकल पॉजर चित्र क्यों नहीं टांग सके? Despite telling that he would hang the picture but could not do it because he was not accustomed in hanging the picture, he didn't organize his work according to preference. That is why he was in hunger-monger condition. Question number 3. The story of hanging the picture is incomplete. Write what happened after Uncle Podger dropped the hammer at the end of the story. चित्र को टांगने की यह कहानी अधूरी है। कहानी के अंत में जब अंकल पॉजर के हाथ से हथौड़ी नीचे गिर जाती है तब क्या हुआ, लिखिए। At the instant he could not have hammered the nail as he was hurt, but after some days when his thumb wound healed, he would have again hammered the nail and tried to hang the picture. तुरंत वो हथौड़ी उठाकर कील नहीं ठोकेंगे होंगे क्योंकि वे घायल थे, लेकिन कुछ दिनों के बाद अपनी अंगूठे के घाव ठीक होने पर वह फिर से कील गाड़कर चित्र टांगे होंगे। क्वेश्चन नंबर 4, राइट डाउन 4 एक्शंस दैट मेक अंकल पॉजर अ फनी कैरेक्टर। 4 कार्यों को लिखिए जिससे अंकल पॉजर का मजाकिया चरित्र का पता चलता है। आंसर, ही वुड सेंड द मेड आउट फॉर 6 penny worth of nails and then one of the boys after her to tell her what size to get. Second, and when the maid comes back she must go out again for a bit of picture cord. Third, then he'd get up and find that he had been sitting on it. 4. The nail would be found at last, but by that time he would have lost the hammer. Question number 5. What did Aunt Mary say when Uncle Podger used bad language? What does it tell you about her character? Answer. When Uncle Podger used bad language, Aunt Mary would say that she wouldn't allow the children to stand around and hear such language. It showed that she wanted to cultivate good habits in children. जब अंकल पॉजर ने गलत भाषा का प्रयोग किया तब आंट मैरी ने ये कहा कि वह बच्चों को ऐसी भाषा सुनने के लिए उनके पास नहीं ठहरने देंगी। इससे यह पता चलता है कि आंट मैरी बच्चों के अंदर अच्छी आदतों को डालना चाहती थी। क्वेश्चन नंबर 6. डिड आंट मैरी हैव कॉन्फिडेंस दैट अंकल पॉजर विल हैंग द पिक्चर? कोट द लाइन दैट मेक्स यू थिंक सो। क्या आंट मैरी को विश्वास था कि अंकल पॉजर चित्र को टांग लेंगे? उस पंक्ति को लिखिए जिससे आप ऐसा सोचते हैं। आंसर, आंट मैरी वॉजंट इन द कॉन्फिडेंस दैट अंकल पॉजर वुड हैंग द पिक्चर। द फॉलोइंग लाइन मेक यू थिंक सो। Aunt Mary would say quietly that next time Uncle Podger was going to hammer a nail into the wall, she hoped he did let her know in time so that she could make arrangement to go and spend a week with her mother while it was being done. Question number 7. How many times did Uncle Podger fail to hang the picture? List the evidence from the story. अंकल पॉजर कितनी बार चित्र को टांगने में सफल रहे? कहानी से प्रभावों की सूची बनाइए। अंकल पॉजर failed 3 times to hang the picture. First, and then he would lift up the picture and drop it, and it would come out of the frame, and he would try to save the glass and cut himself. And then he would jump around the room looking for his handkerchief. Second, and the step ladder and the chain and the light had been brought, he would try again. The whole family, including the maid and the chairwoman, standing around in a semicircle ready to help. 2 people would have to hold the chair, and a third would help him to get up on it and told him there, and a fourth would help him a nail, and a fifth would give the hammer, and he would take the nail in his hand and drop it. Third, at last Uncle Podger would find the spot again and put the point of the nail on it with his left hand and take the hammer in his right hand, and at the first attempt he would strike his thumb and drop the hammer with a loud cry on somebody's toes. Question number 8. What did Uncle Podger ask the maid to bring, and what did he forget to tell her? Answer, Uncle Podger asked the maid to brought 6 pennies worth of nail, and he forget to tell her for a bit of picture card. Thank you for watching.